Hello, this is Heather Hoffman, and I have another Christmas card to share with you today. This one uses some nice soft pastel Copic coloring. I fell in love with the sweet little image from Oh Holy Blessed Night. I thought it kind of reminded me of, I have precious moments that I've collected over the years, and the image reminded me of that, so I thought it'd be fun to color it up to kind of fit that theme. So instead of stamping with black ink, I'm using kind of a soft gray ink. This is Simon Says Stone Dye ink. Any Copic friendly dye ink would work well for this. And I've pulled out an assortment of pastel Copic markers that I'm going to use. And I'm really not using a lot of multiple colors to really do any shading. As the colors dry, I'm going to come back in and add a little bit of shading over the top. I'm listing the colors along the side as I use them. I'm really bad about remembering to set the lids down or anything so you can see the colors. So I'm just have them written them on the side so that you can see which ones I'm using as I go along. I started off with this nice soft skin color, came in with a little bit of pink for the cheeks and then blended that in. I'm using yellow for the halo designs and also to color in the star at the top. And then I've used a soft green and a soft blue to color the clothes on Mary and Joseph, and a soft yellow for the hay, a soft brown for the hair and also the manger, and then a little bit of grays I came in with a little bit later to add just a little bit of shading and shadow on some of the places throughout the image. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and just play some music, and you can watch as I color. Alright, I've just about finished coloring up this image. I'm finishing off with a little bit of gray shadow. Now at this point you can leave it this way nice and soft. Because my ink color was so pale, I felt like the Copic kind of obscured some of the detail. So I'm going to come back in. I left everything lined up in my Misty, one of the things I love about it. So now I can just stamp over the top, and it's still that soft gray, but it's going to add just those details back in so they're not covered up and obscured. Thanks so much for coming by today. Hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day.